Malacanang assures that health workers in government hospitals will not lose their jobs. At the same time, Deputy Presidential spokesperson Abigail Valtec clarified that government hospitals are not privatized but modernized. She said this is being done under the Public-Private Partnership Program.
Concern din nila na baka daw po may mawala ng trabaho kapag na-corporatize. Hindi po kasi siya ipa-privatize. Hindi mo siya bibili ng private entity. The government will continue to own these hospitals. Just for the record, hindi po siya privatization. Corporatization po siya because there will be private investors who are interested in putting money to modernize the facilities and such. Ang commitment po ng DOH is that these workers will not be displaced. Maililipat po sila sa ibang government hospital kung after the modernization, ma-determine po yung manpower needs ng ospital. Kung wala po silang espasyo doon, ililipat po sila ng DOH sa ibang lugar or ibang ospital o baka po sa DOH mismo para hindi naman po sila mawala ng trabaho.